since I've done a POV, so hopping in the E55, it's always fun cruising in this car. Hopefully we can get some good footage for you guys. But I've got Hey Girl's Garage next to me in her black E55 as well. Hey, maybe we might do a pull here and there, but hers is modified, mine is stock, so there she is. Semi was turning. The amount of torque this car makes for the weight ratio also feels really, really good. I don't know, just something about it. She can drive. Hey, I'm kind of getting some pops here and there in the exhaust. You guys hear that? That is cool. A few pops here and there. Stock. That's awesome. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there are a few pops here and there. Around 3,500 RPMs at second gear. Jeez. Feels like the wheel was like hopping like when it lost traction the second time. If you guys are enjoying the content, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe also. If you guys are tuning in for the first time. I think I'm going to be making more POV videos with the E55 and the C32. Okay, let me try and see if I can get the pops for you guys again. Yeah, it's kind of hard to pick it up on video because it's not that loud. Exhaust definitely needs to be louder. I hope the video is picking up the exhaust, but this just has a muffler delete. Everything is stock. Transmission, ECU, just a muffler delete. Guys, I'm hearing those pops in the exhaust. They sound good. I don't need to brake here. Second gear will brake for you. guys hear that pop? I like this bridge a lot. Hear that pop? Traction off? We might. I'll see. I think the tires are warm enough. Hopefully this car turns and I can line that up with her. We'll see. Oh yeah, they are turning. It'll be perfect to line it up here. Hopefully she hooks. I think her tires are warm enough. Go. Not sure why. She was too afraid. Hopefully the wind is not going crazy. She was in the right gear. I think she was in second gear. I was in third gear. We'll run it back. Let's see if she wants to run it again.
Speed camera reported ahead.
Speed camera? Looks like she wants to do a 60. Ooh, okay. We can do a launch right here. Alright, we're gonna do a launch here, and it's uphill. Catching up. You guys saw that. That was some bogus shifting right there. I was not happy with that. This thing was redlining before, like it knew I wanted to shift. We'll do a 30 roll right here. Good stuff. Obviously she's faster than me. Some good stuff. As I was saying, the transmission can't keep up with when I shift it. It's pretty slow. when you shift, it will keep going to red line before it tries to shift. So it didn't catch my response before, so it bogged, then shifted, bogged, then shifted, which I don't like at all. You saw that? Might take some pictures here. This is a nice view though. Too aggressive on that last turn. See you in the next POV. Hope you guys enjoyed. Smash the like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more content like this.